units. We're going to be working on the Supra again today. We need to weld the differential so that it's ready for drift day. That's going to be kind of a pain in the butt. And then we're also going to fix this exhaust probably. This can, is cool as it looks and stuff, it's just not enough capacity for this engine. So yeah, so we're going to start on the diff here. So we'll probably spend the next couple hours taking this out because it's not exactly super brand new or nothing, but there's 2 bolts on the bottom, the universal joint. Oh yeah, 2 bolts on the bottom here also. Yeah, the universal joint, and then the axles each have 6 bolts on them. So yeah, basically we're gonna take all those bolts out, and we'll probably cut to it when we get that far.
Yeah.
Letting the oil drain out, and Matt's over there getting our new exhaust pipe. Oh, that's a big hammer.
But you didn't want the little one.
I thought for sure that was shattering. I was thinking so. This isn't a super simple diff to weld.
No. No, it is not. Oh, you ready to pull the transmission out?
Let's take these 2 out, and this will come out. And that'll just fall apart.
Those are rusty.
Yep. Is that recording?
It is now.
Get it for the next one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But for most of that other one.
And this also is a great way to remove rust.
Yes.
And if you want to get some rust in there,
It's also a great way
that's
to do
fine.
it. Yeah.
This is a great way to get
Well,
rust
it
in
helps
there.
it grip.
Yeah.
More grit.
Yeah. Now it's going to just fall right up. Yeah, oh, it is actually.
It's falling apart.
Bearings look great. It's too much pressure. These are set to a very specific torque and an order, and you want to loosen them all the way right away.
Doesn't matter.
That's the way it'll get good and warped.
Yep. And the order is whatever you pick. Just make sure you stick to a very inconsistent order.
Well, usually I go clockwise, you know, but I just wanted to change it up this time.
Yeah. I like stars.
Yeah. I seen it go and I tried to catch it, but it made it worse.
Yeah, that's not all this is, you know.
That's right, table.
As much as we like to believe in these things as tables that aren't tables.
Aha,
Yeah.
we've done it.
Ta-da!
Found the inside.
Those are, yeah, well, sure enough. It's like a big U-joint.
Oh, they move on there though. That's interesting.
what I would do is I would put this back in there,
Tack
get
it
yourself a tack in there, and then just pull the whole thing out, and then.
Okay, so we're gonna start by cleaning these up then a little bit. Nothing also?
Yeah.
You wanna grab me some more paper towels?
I do.
We put them somewhere, didn't we?
We.
We? Yeah, we.
Yeah, you're right.
I mean, who the fuck is we? I don't speak French.
How to clean your diff. I like the sparkle effect going on in there. Oh, we have an explosion. Safety first, guys.
Get a little bit of gasoline. Walk up to another
I really want to know
crowd. I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher.
I was looking for nuts, but I couldn't find anything that didn't have lock washers. It actually sits in there pretty nice.
All right, we got her all RTV'd up.
And if you run out of one color RTV, you can go ahead and just put another color of RTV on it.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that at all.
Still better than what we were gonna do. We were gonna mix and match colors to make the right color. It's just like painting. Bob Ross wouldn't have it any other way. Oh no, you don't gotta clean that surface. I already cleaned one.
Yeah.
Plenty enough.
There was a little bit of,
Debris.
debris.
Alright guys, so diff is welded, and we didn't record it, but we only have, 2 sets of arms, so we got the diff pushed back up there. We actually made a little,
Bracket for our pipe bottom screw jack.
yeah, and it only got it so far up, and then from there we had to, manhandle it from there, but got it up in there, got the bolts on, the 2 bottom ones, 2 top ones, 2 under ones.
This one, we had to weld a different nut in and put a different bolt in, but whatever.
Yeah, she ain't a gem, but... So now we just gotta put the axles back on, drive shaft, and, yep, boom, bang, pow.
right, guys, we got the diff into the Supra. We went and did a sweet burnout. That was pretty fun, right?
Yeah.
And then, yeah, so we just lined up all the hoopties. Let's take
A lot of them.
sweet photo. RX-8 is back there and stuff. You guys know that.
It's crazy that all these run and drive except for one.
Yeah. Yeah, so everything's kind of working right now.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.